emerge as a career. It is a profession by itself, and your mental well-being or the mental toughness. So that is how differentiates between an ordinary player and an extraordinary player. Extraordinary players, they have a crisis management, well-planned crisis management in place. So I think physically you should be strong. Yes, that obviously will be. But what happens is mental toughness and your attitude and behavior. Because with your skill, with your training, you can reach a particular level in your career, in your any different sports discipline. But to remain in the top position for a longer time, your attitude and your skill alone will. In Commonwealth Games, certainly this is a great program. And just to close my talk, I will talk about what is called, there are 10 to 12 non-medicine medicines. They are not medicines, but they are medicines. What is called non-medicine medicines? What are those non-medicine medicines? Number one is sunlight. When sunlight falls on the skin, vitamin D is synthesized. Then second, of course, I need not tell, exercise. Third is good sleep. Fourth is intermittent fasting. Fifth is intermittent rest. And fifth is smile. Smile is the best conspiracy. You may be, because smile is the best jewelry, smile is a universal language. Because you are stressed out, whenever you are stressed out, when you are involved in hectic physical activity and training, just smile. I think that is the common tendency. Even when you are in a group or a period of time, not all will be your friends. Some may like you, some may not like you. Even if you don't like somebody, just smile at them once. That reduces stress, anxiety. And so smile is the fifth one. Then sixth is friendship. Fifth is friendship. Sixth is talking to each other, then talking about others. Talking to each other, then talking about others. And seventh is eating fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables. And eighth is gratitude. If somebody has helped you to get into this sort of program, somebody is training you, giving tips to become a good athlete. So that gratitude factor should be there. Then meditation is ninth. Then yoga. Then ultimately is your hard work. These are the non-medicine medicine. They are not in injection bottles, not in syringes. This is how we have to maintain our physical fitness. Physical fitness is not just your muscles, it's not just your heart and lung function. It's all about your people who have achieved a lot of things in any profession. They have three things in common. One, they have patience. Then they have momentary silence and smile. So these things are very important. Patience and momentary silence and smiling can make you a more successful person. Success will not come to you, but you have to go and snatch this success. I think, because you look at ECG, that's how the life goes on. If you look at the ECG, there will be ups and downs, ups and downs. Exactly, life is like that. A career is like that. So you should never ever get disappointed because and have a positive outlook. The sports, all athletes, whatever may be the disciplines or the game, you should have a positive attitude, because with positive attitude, your performance will be a lot better. And certainly, you should always work hard to win, and we should not wait to win. We should not wait. At the same time, we have to revisit all our martial sports against, of course, even in Olympics we have seen all these sword fights and all. Some Eastern Southeast Asian countries are taking part and winning medals and all. So I hope this program will motivate and inspire a lot of youngsters. And I again re-emphasize, sports is a career today in this digital world. So all the best, good luck, and live long, live.
Always a teacher, and we could see the glimpse today. Sir was an assistant professor, then associate professor, then director of Jayadev Medical College. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable knowledge, sharing your valuable knowledge with us. Before I request our dignitaries to take the
pyramid.
ಇದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೇಗಾಸನ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
Student, please.
हम लोग कराटा खेलते, उनको ब्लैक बेल्ट ऐसा कुछ खेलते। ये पत्थर है ना, इसको खाली हाथ से मार के सब टुकड़ा बना डालते।
तुम्हारा रेनबो बेल्ट है तुम्हारा।
Oh, thank you.